So far, hindi pa naman tapos yung hearing. I'm sure papatawag pa ulit yan in the succeeding days, no? To inquire about all the other things na gusto namin na bring up namin. So far, it looks like dahan-dahan na kinaklaro yung nangyari. No? We've heard statements from some jury members. We've heard statements from other MMFF Executive Committee members. We've heard statements straight from the MMMDA chairman. And it seems like parang nagkaklaro na kung saan talaga naging magulo. Coming in, parang ninenervyos nga kami if there's anything that's gonna come out of this. Kasi hindi naman madali na magreklamo, no? Di ba, na malalaking tao yung kausap, ang kine-question mo, matataas ang posisyon nila sa gobyerno. So hindi takot kami na baka wala rin lang mapuntahan to, no? Pero pasalamat kami sa Congress na with the congressman present na they followed through and they asked the right questions. Maganda so far, and sana magtuloy-tuloy to na okay yung mga discussions.